Hey, it's Daniel. If you're looking to stay connected in the classroom or virtually anywhere, check out the Lenovo 300e Chromebook LTE, a connected laptop with AT&T. It's powerful and ready to accompany students in any learning environment. The 300e Chromebook comes with a pre-installed SIM card for LTE connectivity. Along with your laptop, the box will include a 45-watt ultra-portable AC adapter, the quick start guide, and terms and conditions. The 300e Chromebook is built on the Chrome platform and it's packed with the latest AMD 3015 CE dual processor with integrated AMD Radeon graphics. It's a lightweight, convertible device, so it's great for traveling from home to the classroom. And it has a long-lasting battery that will keep you powered up throughout the school day and into the evening. It comes in the gray finish I have here. So let's check out the exterior of the device. The 300e Chromebook has been thoughtfully designed with students in mind. It's been rigorously tested for durability and reliability to military standard 810H standards and Lenovo Education spec standards. It features these 360-degree rubber bumpers, reinforced ports and hinges with mechanically anchored keys, and an impact-tested touchpad. I doubt learning will stop even if this thing takes a tumble. There's also plenty of ports for everything you need to do. To the right side, we have the power button, volume up and down key, USB 3.2 Type A port, HDMI 1.4B port, and the Kensington Nano Security lock slot. Around the top is a SIM card tray. However, AT&T has pre-installed the SIM for you. On the left side is the optional garage stylus slot, microSD card reader, 3.5mm headphone microphone combo jack, a USB 3.2 Type A port, and a USB 3.2 Type C port, and a microphone. Opening up the laptop, you can see a 360-degree hinge that allows transitioning seamlessly between different modes. At the top is the 720p selfie camera, the camera privacy shutter, and a second microphone. The HD display is an 11.6-inch durable touch display made with scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass. These are the mechanically anchored keys and an impact-tested touchpad. The keyboard is also water-resistant, so it can stand up to an estimated 12.173 fluid ounce spill. So what's really cool about this device is its convertible design. Its 360-degree sync hinge feature is built to flex and allow students and teachers to switch seamlessly between modes. You can use it for all types of learning, and maybe some downtime too. So let's check some of the different ways you can transform your Lenovo 300e Chromebook LTE. First, we have our traditional laptop for typing. We can fold it horizontally or vertically for more of a tablet feel to watch or chat in landscape and to read in portrait view. You can also lay it flat for drawing with the touchscreen. Or you could turn it into a tent to watch or talk hands-free. All around, the convertible design with the 360-degree sync hinge is super cool. So that's a look at the Lenovo 300e Chromebook LTE, a connected, convertible device purpose-built with the durability and power to help students and teachers build connections in and out of the classroom.
To learn more about AT&T, subscribe to this channel, visit the AT&T newsroom, or watch more videos in the playlist seen here.